Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of your lesson. So this part of the lesson, we're going to talk about sources of heat. Sumber panasan. Sumber kepanasan. So this is page 65 to 67 in your textbook. Okay, so let's learn what is a source of heat. Apa kan sumber kepanasan ni, Cep? Okay, it is something that gives out its own heat. So, benda yang mengeluarkan ia punya kepanasan sendiri. So, if benda itu dapat keluarkan panasnya dari badannya, dari bendanya dengan sendirinya, that means it is a source of heat. So, for example, this is a chair. Pernah kamu rasa kerusi yang indah kena duduki orang indah bawah cahaya, indah hampir apa-apa yang panas keluarkan panas dengan sendirinya kan kamu pegang. Hindi juga biasanya panas kerusiannya. So, since a chair does not give out its own heat, it is not a source of heat. So, bukannya sumber kepanasan. Tapi di sini ada light bulb. So, light bulb, if kamu pernah pegang a light bulb, it's very hot when it's on. So, that means a light bulb gives out its own heat. So, ya keluarkan kepanasan sendirinya. So, that means it is a source of heat. So, one of the most important sources of heat on this earth is the sun. So, satu sumber kepanasan yang paling penting adalah matahari. So, the sun provides us with heat energy we need to stay warm. So, matahari ini bagi kepanasan supaya kami rasa comfortable lah indah berpasajuk arah bumi ini. So, without heat energy from the sun, there would be no life on earth. So, benda-benda di bumi ini indah akan hidup if kami nada matahari. Atau tak betapa pentingnya matahari ini. So, this is one of the first source of heat. The second source of heat is electricity. So it says here, electricity can also be a source of heat energy. So, benda-benda yang menggunakan current ini pun boleh jadi sumber kepanasan. Bukannya semua lah, tapi some of them. For example, toaster, kettle, hair dryer, microwave are examples of electrical appliances that produce heat energy. So, ini benda-benda yang akan macam mengeluarkan panas lah if kamu masukkan ke dalam soket. So, that means there also electricity can be a source of heat energy. Janganlah kamu jawab ya a source of heat energy bila kamu masukkan ke radio lah. Radio itu indah sanang panas tu. So, artinya macam ia mesti mengeluarkan kepanasan, barutah ia boleh jadi source of heat energy. So, the second source of heat energy is electricity. Next one, the third source of heat energy is burning fuels, membakar fuel. So, fuel ini contains stored energy. So, ia ada tenaga yang tersimpan, yang indah digunakan sekarang. Tapi, if you burn it, mun kamu bakar, the stored energy is changed to heat energy. So, ia boleh membagi kepanasan bila kamu bakar. So, burning fuels. So, example of fuels ini, wood, so kayu, gas, so macam arah tambak kamu, kerosene. Kerosene ini macam untuk lampu zaman dulu punya, are examples of sources of heat. So, ini pun boleh jadi sumber kepanasan, membakar fuel. Okay, so this is our third source of heat. Next one should be our fourth. So, the fourth source of heat is friction. So, if you see someone down here, he is rubbing his hands together. If you try doing this for about 10 seconds, you can feel some heat on your hands. Not as strong as, janganlah sekuat benar-benar sampai orang ini macam if you feel heat, sudah berhentilah. So, it says here, when two surfaces rub against each other, this is called friction. Friction produces heat. So, it's not just bila tangan kamu rubbing each other. If kamu berjalan ke lantai, kamu drag kamu punya kaki atau macam Indah naik dari the ground, kamu just slide your feet, ataupun ada friction antara kaki kamu sama lantai kamu atau ada rasa panas tu arah the shoe. So just anytime ada dua benda atau rubbing against each other, that's called friction. Okay, so these are your 2 exercises today. Some of you might have completed the sources of heat worksheet. So that means all you have to do is do page 32 to 33 in the workbook. And then for those of you yang belum siap, you can do the other worksheet, which is the sources of heat. Yang ada gambar-gambar matahari, tangan, hair dryer tu. Okay, so good luck ya, Fall.